Well, what do we got here? Looks like we have another washing machine on the side of the road. It's a front loader. And it looks like it's a Samsung, but the writing's gone. You can kind of see it right there, Samsung. But it's a front loader. And it looks like it's all taken apart. Someone's been in here. Clearly someone's been in here. But I found out that this machine is not savable. And I'm going to show you guys a very short, brief video of why this machine is not savable. But yeah, you pop open the door here and look in here. That is all melted rubber. And that happened from this machine, the drum, rubbing against all this right here. And if I move the drum, you can hear there's a bunch of movement in that drum. Yeah, this machine's toast. But yeah, you can see there's a lot of damage here where the lip of the drum is. So the spider bracket is shot on this thing, and this machine is not worth saving. So yep, that's my short video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. This thing is not worth saving. Samsung front loader sitting on the side of the road. Has a broken spider bracket arm that supports the back of the drum. It's most likely corroded or rusted out or whatever. See, look. That is all messed up. And that is from the drum rubbing against this. So yep, that is a broken spider arm. So this machine ain't worth saving. It's scrap. So whoever threw this away obviously tried to fix it, and they knew darn well that this machine was not worth fixing. So this machine's broke, and it's not worth fixing because of that big major issue, and that will cost hundreds to replace, because you have to replace the outer drum, the inner drum, and you have to replace the bellow as well. So yep, this machine is not worth fixing. So anyways, that's my short video, so hope you guys enjoyed.